bust it up. They can't go in. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Hey, contact! Alright guys, back with another video. It's your boy Wag. So today we're playing at, basically can't tell you anything, where it's at, what it's at, how I got here, anything. But it's a cool map. So basically we have 5 floors and a basement. The basement's pitch black, so is the like top floors. They got smoke machines on the first floor. It's really cool. Like this is like, it's thick. Like I mean, I don't know if you can see me, but it's like pretty thick and you can only see flashlights and lasers. Like really cool. It's crazy. This is crazy. It's probably like one of the best places I've ever played in my whole life. It's so cool. Fortunately, you get to play here and check it out. And this is just, I mean, look at this. This is just crazy. And this is just one room on one floor. We got escalators that don't work, but I'm pretty sure we're allowed to use those. And then this is another room on the first floor. There's like 2, I think, main rooms. I honestly don't know too much about this place. I've only played one match here, and it was on, I think, the 5th floor. Yeah, they got smoke machines coming out everywhere. This is so cool. Like check this out. They got like a fan to blow it up too. It's super sick. I would take you guys into the basement. Hopefully we'll play a couple games down there. I'm not sure yet. But basically you just go down these stairs and there's a basement down there and it's just pitch black. Like you can't see anything. You have to have a flashlight. Hopefully you have a buddy with you or else you're gonna get, well, taken by demons. Go. Whew. Almost died already. God bless you. I'll see no legs. This is gonna be fun. All right, so they have strafers, like 175 rounds. No fear on the strafer. Oh my God! Hold on, one more. My ears, bro. Hey guys, clear, move up! Holy, I don't know where the f I'm going, dog. Hey, team! All the way down. Did I get you? I don't think so. You barely missed. You surprised the fuck out of me though. I'll give you that.
Hey, these guys, hey, they have map knowledge on it.
Yeah, they guys. We got places safe.
Are there other ways to get down to the?
Holy, dude, I'm so fucked. I have no idea where I'm going.
Look for that other staircase. Also, wait, which side is our phone? Let's do that.
Holy.
most of them.
Good.
They can't go.
Anyway, go.
I got door go.
Hey, go out real quick. Go out.
I don't see anyone. Come to you. I can't hear.
Are they down?
Woo! Yeah, buddy.
No.
Shield, are you still up? What happened to control birds now?
It.
Shield's down.
Right behind this pole usually. Go pull the right. Right there.
I guess he was going. Very good.
What?
Here, I'm up.
No. Here, left, here, left.
Where?
You okay, money?
Oh my god!
Oh, that's hardcore death.
Oh, hold on, I can't hear anything.
I thought you guys were gonna actually blow up.
Frag. Is that the store? Hey, contact! R4, contact! Switching! They're on this floor, like. Hey, let's go fuck their floor up right now. You want it? Do you want me to hold this or fuck them up? Hit! You sure you're not hit, dude? I like lasered you, dog.
I got center hallway all the way up to the top. We got the far right side all the way to the top. Push up.
I just want to let you know, I'm on your team, I'm on your team. I just want to let you know I'm here. I was hiding this whole time. Hey, friendly. Fuck.
Oh, my head hurts.
Yeah, dude, that came way off next to us too. I couldn't hear for like 5 minutes.
It hit behind me.
Oh, no. You can't hear, huh?
I know.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
Game is live in 3, 2, 1, go! One v3. Someone shot me, bro.
I believe that.
Probably Jeremy's dumbass.
Probably David.
Hasn't played in a long time.